Hello, this short video will show you how to access Lexis and Westlaw. The first thing to do is to go to the university homepage, so it's www.cumbria.ac.uk. Click on where it says Students in the top right hand corner, and you will be taken to a sign-in page. Details of how you sign in as a student are given here on the screen, and as I said on the tutorial, make sure that you activate your account before you come to try and log in. So I will just log in to myself here. And that should take us into the Student Hub. From the Student Hub you can click onto Library, and this will take us into the one search system that I mentioned on the tutorial. But for now, what we're going to do is go down the screen in the green column and click onto e-resources. Scroll down again, click on L, and then click on Lexis Library. Now the screen that we've arrived on now, this is a useful one to bookmark, so you can come back to Lexis Library in the future. So from here you click on Access the e-resource, and if you are off campus you will be logged in. You may be asked to log in again. So we're now at the Lexis Library homepage. So to start some searching, you've got a number of options. You can either use the quick find box here, where you can search for individual pieces of legislation, a particular case, a particular journal article, or you can go down to the glossary and type in a particular legal term, such as ADR, and click on Find, and it will give you some background information about that term, plus some links into some key cases and commentary. Another way to search is to go up to this box at the top here, and this is where you can search all of those different types of material all at once. In addition, you will also find one or two books underneath the bookshelf that you might find useful. So for instance, Halsbury's Laws of England are a good start point to find out about a particular area of the law. In addition, you can also go to the menus on the top line here. And by clicking on these different headings, it just gives you a little bit more control over how you search. So for instance, if we go into journals, you can see here that there's a search box and also a place here to search for individual titles or articles. It's quite useful to have a look at the browse link, because this will give us a list of all the journals that Lexis make available to us in full text. And you can either choose to go into one of these individually and search, or you could use the quick find box up here. Anytime you want to go back to the home page of Lexis Library, just click on the Lexis word up at the top, and you're back at the beginning. You can start another search. So that's how to get onto Lexis. If we now go back to the My Day tab at the top of the screen, go back into Library, scroll down, go back into e-resources, and this time choose W and Westlaw. Again, you may wish to bookmark this page for future reference, but for now we're going to access the e-resource. And you should find yourself at the Westlaw homepage. Now Westlaw has a similar layout to Lexis. It has a quick find option on the front screen here, and you can either choose to search everything or untick the ones that you don't want and then type in your keywords. Westlaw also has its own encyclopedia called UK Insight, so that again gives you access to information about a particular area of the law, and again an index of legal terms. You can also use the menu items across the top, and again we'll click into journals And if you have a look at the full text articles, you can see the range of journals that, again, we get full text access to. Now this list here is very different from the ones in Lexis, so that is one reason why we do have both databases. In addition, across the top you've also got access to an EU section, or European Union section, and if you go to services you can also find there's a link there to international materials. So the main thing really though is to go to the training materials provided by both companies as linked from the tutorial and have a look at their user guides and videos to help you get the best out of searching the two databases. If you do have any problems at all in accessing these two resources, then do email us at skills@cumbria.ac.uk.